morning all of you. We will discuss about the diffuser. Basically, diffusion is also subtopic including the VLSI technologies. I am Rishna Khandela, assistant professor in the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Now we will discuss about this topic in the discipline electronics and communication. First of all, purpose of kinetic module. Diffusion is the basic main important term included in the kinetic module. And why we use kinetic module? In the kinetic module, develop deeper understanding of diffusive transport through hands-on exercise. Learn how computational tools can be used to determine concentration profile during diffusion. In the demonstrate the technology's importance of diffusion through an application to a semiconductor processing problem. Now we will introduce in diffusion movement of chemical spices from an area of high concentration to an area of lower concentration. Including the diffusion process begins with the deposition of a shallow high concentration of the desired impurity in the silicon surface through windows outside in the protective barrier layer. Now we will introduce in the diffusion solute and solvents. Now we will introduce an important factor which affect rate of reaction. Now reactant concentration, temperature, action of crystallites. Now surface area, process pressure of gaseous reactants or products. Now we will introduce in the reaction rule. For the reaction A to B, there are two ways of measuring rate: the speed at which the reactant disappear, the speed at which the products appear. Reactions are reversible, so as products accumulated, they can begin to turn back into reactants. Now we will introduce concentration and rate. Each reaction has its own equation that gives its rate as a function of reactant concentrations. This is called its rate law. In the rate law, determine the rate law, we measure the rate at different starting connections. Now order of reaction. A reaction is zero order in a reactant if the change in concentration of that reactant produces no effect. A reaction is one order. This is denoted by the first order of if doubling the concentration causes the rate to double. The reaction in second order if doubling the concentration causes a quadruple increase in rate. In third order, doubling concentration leads to 2 raised to power 3 or times the rate. Now, in the diffusion mechanism, silicon as well as the number of layers introduced in the silicon interstitial diffusion is denoted in the Na as well as the lithium. In the substitutional diffusion, substitutional impurity atom is the silicon as well as the single dark side atom in the vacancy silicon. This is a silicon line. Now dose of diffusion. Dose is measured in the unit of impurities per unit area per centimeter square. It varies with time of diffusion. Qt raised to power multiple of t time value consideration 0 to infinity c xt dx is equals to 2 raised to power root of pi is c 0 to t raised to power dt. Now method of diffusion. Dopant diffusion, pre-deposition as well as drive-in. In the pre-deposition, the control dopant gas is the Element used in the silicon as well as the oxide region. Silicon Si is denoted by the doped Si region. SiO2 is silicon oxide region. Drive in the profile control junction depth concentration. SiO2 is denoted the SiO2 is silicon SiO2. This is the silicon ratio. Si is the Si. Pre-deposition by diffusion can be replaced by a shallow implementation steps. Now, diffusion capacitance CSB/CDB undesirable called plastic capacitance. Capacitance depends on area of parameter. Use small diffusion as well as a small ratio of any node diffused value. Use small diffusion nodes. Now, thank you.